Start selling on Temu. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to create your Temu seller account. First, open your browser and go to seller.temu.com. This is the official Temu seller portal. Click on Sign Up. You'll need to enter your email address and create a strong password. Then, click Next. Temu will send a verification code to your email. Open your inbox, copy the code, and paste it to verify your email address. Now, you'll see the seller registration form. Here, select your business type, either an individual seller or a company. Fill in your personal or business details, including your full name, phone number, and company information if required. Next, upload the necessary documents. For individuals, you'll need a valid ID card or passport. For businesses, you may need to upload a business license and tax information. Then, choose your store name and select the main category of products you want to sell. Make sure your store name is professional and relevant to your brand. Finally, agree to Temu's seller terms and conditions. Then, click Submit. Your application will be reviewed by Temu. Once approved, you'll receive a confirmation email, and you can log into your seller dashboard to start listing your products. And that's it. You've successfully created your Temu seller account. Now you're ready to set up your store and begin selling. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more e-commerce tutorials.